Hello guys, welcome back to a new summer special episode of Happy and Healthy Life. Guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. Today I'll make 3 summer special mojitos. First I am making blue Curacao Mojito. For this, first I am making the base with lemon and mint, squeezing them slightly to get the extract properly. Now in a glass, I am putting the base, half teaspoon lemon juice, some crushed ice, 1 teaspoon powdered sugar, half teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons of Curacao syrup mixed with water, some mint leaves. Now filling the glass with chilled soda. Now I am mixing all the ingredients with a long spoon to get the fresh flavor of the mojito. Garnishing with lemon slice and serve it. Next I am making the Cinderella Mojito. For this first I am making the base with lemon and mint. Again squeezing them slightly to get the fresh extract. Now in a glass, I am putting the base, half teaspoon lemon juice, some crushed ice, 1 teaspoon powdered sugar, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup of fresh orange juice, 2 tablespoons Cinderella syrup mixed with water. Now filling the glass with chilled soda. You can use Sprite here. Now mixing all the ingredients with a long spoon to get the fresh flavor of the mojito. Now I am garnishing with lemon slice and serve it. Finally, I am making the mango mojito. For this, first I am making the base with lemon and mint. Again, squeezing them slightly to get the extract properly. In this mojito, I am using fresh mango cubes. For this, I am cutting a slice of mango into cubes. In a glass, I am putting the base, some crushed ice, some mango cubes, 1 teaspoon powdered sugar, half teaspoon salt and half cup of fresh mango juice. Now I am filling the glass with chilled soda. Here you can use Sprite also. Finally, garnishing with some mango cubes and serve it. Guys, hope you like this recipe. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more recipes. I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care and stay healthy.